Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the world of the largest snakes on our planet. Get ready to meet the giants of the reptile kingdom. First up we have the green anaconda. This colossal serpent can grow up to 30 feet long and weigh as much as 550 pounds. Found in the swamps, marshes, and slow-moving streams of the Amazon and Orinoco basins in South America, these snakes are largely aquatic. They primarily feast on fish, birds, mammals, and even caimans by constricting their prey until it suffocates. Fun fact, the green anaconda is the heaviest snake in the world and spends a lot of time in the water to support its massive size. Next, let's talk about the reticulated python. Hailing from Southeast Asia, this snake can reach lengths up to 33 feet and weigh around 350 pounds. Its diet includes mammals and birds, and larger individuals can even take down deer and pigs. Known for its vibrant reticulated pattern, this python is an excellent swimmer and can adapt to living near human habitation. Despite its daunting size, it's often kept in captivity by reptile enthusiasts. Now moving on to the Burmese python. These giants can grow up to 23 feet long and weigh up to 200 pounds. Native to Southeast Asia, they can be found in a variety of habitats from grasslands to swamps. They prey on a wide range of animals, including birds, mammals, amphibians, and reptiles. Interestingly, Burmese pythons have become an invasive species in the Florida Everglades, where they've disrupted the local ecosystem. Our fourth giant is the African rock python. Found throughout sub-Saharan Africa, this snake can reach up to 20 feet in length and weigh as much as 250 pounds. Their diet includes large mammals, birds, and reptiles. They're known for their aggressive nature and are less tolerant of human interaction compared to other large python species. The African rock python is one of Africa's largest snake species and has a reputation for its strength and aggressive defense mechanisms. Finally, let's meet the Indian python. Native to the Indian subcontinent, this snake can grow up to 20 feet long and weigh around 150 pounds. They inhabit forests, grasslands, marshes, and rocky foothills and are excellent swimmers. They prey on a variety of animals, including rodents, birds, and mammals. The Indian python is often confused with the Burmese python but is generally smaller. It's a revered species in its native range and is featured in many local myths and legends. These incredible snakes not only captivate us with their immense size, but also play crucial roles in their ecosystems as apex predators. Thanks for joining me on this adventure to meet the giants of the snake world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing wildlife content. See you next time.